This is the air fryer lid from the Instant Pot Pro, and this is the cover for the air fryer lid to protect it in storage. And if you are having as many fights with this as I am, keep watching because I've got a little hack for you. So I find the easiest way to do this is that once your air fryer has cooled down, flip it over. And then if you line up where the little tab is, the cylindrical tab on the air fryer lid itself, then give it a sharp clockwise turn. Then the cover attaches really well and it's all stable for storage. And then we can make it even easier by giving our poor little stressed brains a bit of a clue so we can get the lid lined up super easy. So I'm going to use a little bit of washi tape, which is like masking tape, and I'm just going to mark up that little tab so I can see it super easily. And I know I just need to line it up with the cylinder, give it a press down, do that sharp turn, and it's all done. And while it's still not the best bit of design I've ever seen, at least it makes it a bit easier for us.